The Measure G bond money continues to advance many capital improvements in Chino Valley Unified School District. Many of our students and staff are utilizing completed projects in the areas of new construction, modernization, safety and security upgrades, as well as the addition and renovation of science classrooms. The reconstruction of Chino High School continues to progress. Buildings A through E will house student classrooms, as well as the library, science labs, and administrative offices. Completion of the structure of these buildings is allowing for the construction of both interior and exterior elements and finishes. Phase 2, which is well underway, includes construction of the theater, locker rooms, gymnasium, multipurpose room, and cafeteria. Modernization of Country Springs and Rolling Ridge began during the summer of 2019 and is now complete. Students are now attending classes in newly modernized facilities, including classrooms equipped with 21st century furniture, technology, and security upgrades. Multipurpose room improvements provide a community space for students and staff to gather for school events. Modernized kitchens make the important job of meal preparation easier. At Townsend and Canyon Hills Junior High Schools, students are taking advantage of modernized classrooms and completely renovated locker rooms. Renovation work will continue in the multipurpose rooms, kitchens, and administrative offices in the coming months. The modernization of Ayala High School began in the summer of 2019 with the installation of air conditioning and acoustical sound absorption panels in the gymnasium. Since that date, modernization of each quad and accompanying classrooms has continued. As of May 2021, all classrooms in quads B, F, and H have been completed. Work is now beginning in Building C, which houses the multipurpose room, band, and choir rooms. Also included in the phase are the D quad classrooms and Building E, which houses the library. This phase of modernization will be completed in February 2022. The installation of improved safety and security measures is complete at the majority of Chino Valley Unified Schools. Campuses are equipped with security alarms and security cameras. Keyless access to classrooms is operational with coded keypads for extra security on exterior doors. By the fall of 2021, all CVUSD schools will have upgraded safety and security measures. State-of-the-art science buildings are complete at Ayala High School and the Briggs K-8 campus. The Ayala Science Building features 14 modern classrooms equipped with new touchscreens, in-class audio systems, and student lab stations conducive to a collaborative learning environment. Supported by the newly installed Title 24 compliant HVAC and electrical systems, in addition to the enhanced gas routing design, multiple turrets and fume hoods have been positioned throughout classrooms, allowing for hands-on laboratory experiments. LED lighting, in combination with expansive windows that draw in natural light, merge the in-class experience with the outside world. Since the passage of Measure G in 2016, $478 million overall has been made available to date. As of May 2021, more than $278 million has been expended on critical school facilities, with approximately $200 million budgeted to complete additional school projects in the second issuance. In the near future, the community can expect to see modernization of additional schools and continued efforts in security upgrades throughout the district. Thank you, Chino Valley taxpayers, for your commitment to CVUSD students. Measure G projects are made possible by your generous support.